What's up, everyone? We are installing the rooftop tent onto the Power Wagon today. Hopefully it goes smooth. We shall see. Yeah, so I hope everybody enjoys. Do you need to take the other one? Oh, you're gonna put it on the bottom side?
Yeah.
Ah.
I can get back in there. You're just calling 911 with your watch?
Apparently.
All right. Jesus, that's not even close.
No.
Just a little off to the side. There we go.
Do you want the fan on yet? Do you want to try that one first before you put the other two in?
Why don't you get it to them so I can make sure that everything lines up.
So are there plugs on this side that we still need to pull out?
Mm-hmm. Is there a front or back?
This is front.
No, that's side. That's side.
That has the door. That's the front.
It comes off the side. I'm saying, is there a front or back on these sides? Like, is there one that needs to be on the front of the truck compared to the back of the truck?
I have no idea. I don't think so.
Well, that's alright, we'll do it backwards. Why lie?
So we need to get it up there.
I thought of standing on the tailgate.
Yeah, but do you want it on this side? Or do you want it standing up on this side on the tailgate?
On that side.
Okay.
You sit up there?
Yep.
In corner.
At a time.
And both corners are up. We're gonna clear that door.
Yep.
Now, my theory is we can go push it up and then it'll just pivot eventually before we hit the garage door. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I mean, from where we are, we could, unless there's a clearance issue back there, we could kind of pick it up, help it pivot, and
Yeah.
go forward.
Which we could. It'll just be on the topper itself then. But that's what cardboard's for.
Let me know what we're doing.
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, cardboard is plastic. Good news though. It's up.
Do you want me up on the topper so it stays off of it?
Oh yeah, I suppose. It's the too cheap to buy fucking $2,000 sliders, but don't have enough time in my life to fucking do 2,000 sliders. That's the struggle.
It's not because you're too cheap. You considered buying them. It's the lead time at this point in time.
At this point in time, they'd be still fun.
That is true.
Got it. What's left over here? I split off read it then.
So the sun started to go away and then it came back out.
Yep.
Hey, there
you go.
I suppose it goes under the bar?
Yep.
Okay. You're not supposed to do that.
Yeah, no, I am. Kind of what I do. Yep.
Is this supposed to?
Well, I want it to have a little bow in it because that'll help not.
Keep it from sliding around.
Yep.
I was wondering how the hell that was going to work.
So why'd I jump down?
I don't know. So what are these holes for? Ow.
Mountain. There's a T-slot in these.
Yeah.
So you can use this. You can slide this plate around down there wherever you need. It's an extra plate for support.
For like an awning. I wonder why they want you to put a cover on it. At least the breeze feels nice.
Yeah. Okay.
Now what?
Now I think we'll pull it out of the garage so we can actually work on it.
So you're still gonna need the ladder. Now do you want the other ladder to put on?
Yep.
Need a ladder to put on the ladder.
Yes, you didn't get all the tape off.
What do you mean I didn't get all the tape off? Oh, like on the inside?
Yeah.
I didn't know there was tape on the inside. Works. Hua-cha! Said it was a 13. Do you have a ratcheting 13?
Yep, I got a regular
Okay.
and a ratchet now.
Whoa, bro. Go. Yeah. No, go. Go.
Wrong truck. Wrong truck. Shoot. No.
Ah.
I don't like them damn things.
I don't think I can reach.
Do it. Or you can fucking
Piss it off.
make him poop on my truck. Legit, you left fucking shit on my truck.
It'll rain.
He's gonna go call his buddies now. Hey, this bitch threw her head at me.
Hey, he went away.
Continue with destructions.
Mount the ladder on? You gotta make sure that the ladder bracket is in between the two other brackets. So you gotta take the bolts out.
Hopefully there's enough adjustment in this. So that's the one reason why they probably want you to do this on the ground, so you can actually attach it to that, so when you open it up, it doesn't flop down.
Probably.
Smack the shit out of yourself.
But that's okay. We do shit backwards.
You know, as long as it gets done with minimal injury. Damage.
Devin and Boat are not here.
So you're supposed to leave the ladder up here when you're transporting it?
Yeah. That's why that Velcro strap is there.
So shouldn't this Velcro?
Well, I'm sure you gotta adjust it so the Velcro works.
No, I'm sure you gotta think this through a little bit.
I'm out.
There we go.
What? Thinking it through?
Too complicated for me.
Are you gonna fold it now? Or do you want to pull it forward so the gate's not on the other side?
Oh, it'll stay above the gate. No problem there.
Flip.
This might be how we have to do this. I'm up on the side.
Just carry a ladder. Perfect.
No, pretty far from perfect actually. It's pretty far away.
Just like that or move forward.
That's not gonna matter. I'll just hop over here. I need the ladder moved inward. Oh, see, the truck's in the way, you see?
Yeah. Can't really go inward much.
Need to build that fancy trailer of yours.
You just put this on the roof of the Can-Am. That'll make a fucking video, wouldn't it?
Right?
You dumb son of a bitch. You put 200-pound tent on his roof of his Can-Am. Go to turn.
like
Right
those,
on the side.
like those Top Gear videos that Levi watches,
Oh,
where they
the
go in the
bridge one.
three-wheel cars, like, whoop.
Yeah.
Oh, Reliant Robin, yes.
That boy would buy one if he could.
Yeah. He finds it, yeah. He finds it hilarious.
If I can find one as a roller cheap enough, it'd be kind of cool.
Right?
To keep something.
Literally, a roller.
Yeah. Notice how to try one.
See the idea, it's supposed to go like this.
Yep.
Really?
Yep. You want that a little bit more straight up and down, though. Your ladder.
I'm glad to see that there is a something like that. Oh God.
The rest of it's the rain fly there.
Hell's on that.
It's the rain fly. And the canopy.
Oh, that's where you put that round curvy bar in.
Yes. I think the black little would have looked way better, but that's okay. There was a longer wait time.
I don't know. I think it kind of matches the truck in a way. Goes with the truck.
No, the black was like a month out versus like 2 weeks.
I mean, between the truck's earthy tone and that, it looks
Yeah.
kind of more nature blending-ish.
Nature blending.
I don't know. I think it works.
Sure.
It's black's gonna bake even worse, isn't it?
We thought so, but people don't. People say they don't notice a difference. I don't know.
Got no idea where this actually sits in there.
Isn't there Velcro straps?
Is that what this is?
Yeah, that's
little
yep.
loopies.
Yep.
But they're looped all closed, so. Well, the first things first, I'm gonna figure out where I'm supposed to put this here. Okay, I wasn't ready for that. The ladder.
And then, are there holes? Oh, maybe. I think. Yeah, I think
up
those.
there?
Is there like a little leg that folds out? Yep, right there.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll take some getting used to, but yeah.
Yeah.
I'll let you deal with this one.
Yeah.
Jared's just a tad bit taller.
Yep. Well, I think it's kind of caught on something. I don't want to be the one to shit.
The material. I think Off-Road Recon said that they had some issues with this, and then we'll have to watch their video again. And then, yeah.